Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply online at Central Johannesburg TVET College. So first thing you're gonna do guys, you're gonna open your internet browser. It can either be Google or Chrome or internet or any internet browser, and then when you get there guys, you're gonna open your search tab and then you're gonna type Central Johannesburg College local South African. Then you see the link is there guys. You're gonna click where it's written local South African student Central Johannesburg. So that's the link that you're gonna click guys, and then you're gonna click on it because I believe most of us were South African, right? So yeah, now guys, I am inside Central Johannesburg TVET College website, as you can see. So what you're gonna do guys, from here you're just gonna scroll down. You scroll down, and then as you can see guys, we are having a placement test, right? If you didn't write the placement test before, you're gonna start by writing a placement test, and then there's a video where you're gonna see how I write a placement test. But then since now I have written a placement test before, so now I'm gonna click on the step 2 where it's written online application process, and then I'm gonna click where it's written click here to start with the application process. So now guys, I'm starting with the application process. Do you already have student number? Obviously I'm here for a new application. I'm gonna click no, returning no, and then you click the box of I accept, and then after you click next. So yeah, here guys, you're gonna be filling your personal details. First one, are you a South African? And then obviously you're gonna say yes, and then if you're not a South African, you're gonna say no, and then you type your ID. And then guys, remember, where there's a register is compulsory, and then where there's no register is not compulsory. So make sure that you fill each and every box that has a register, and then you fill with your real details to avoid complications guys. So now I'm gonna be filling everything. Then you can see guys, the last box, do you want to apply for assistance? Yes. And then if you know you want need accommodation, you click no. After you click next, so that you go to the next page guys. So it's very much important to click yes on the resistance, so that you know you're gonna need accommodation from the school. So don't avoid that part. And then yeah, in this part guys, you're gonna be filling your next of kin information. So let me just fill the form. Unfortunately I'm gonna put the sticker, but then yeah, you make sure where there's a register, you put everything. And then yeah, once you are done guys putting everything, and then now you can go down there and then click next, so that you go to the next page. And then yeah, here guys, you're gonna choose the year you did your high school. It can either be the matric year, grade 11 year, grade 10 year, grade 12 year, or any grade you're gonna be uploading. Then you put the year, you choose undergraduate, you choose SA matric, and then on final school leaving certificate, that's where you can put grade 9, 10 or 11 or 12. And then after then you choose the subject, you put the subject, you put the symbol, you click add subject, and then the subject is gonna be added. So yeah, this is how guys you're gonna be adding all your school subject. You make sure that you add all the subject on your report or on your statement or on your matric. The procedure of adding the subject guys is the same, but then yeah, you add the subject, you put the symbol, you click add subject, you add the subject, you add the symbol, you click add subject, until your subject are added, all of them, so that you can proceed. And then mind you guys, make sure that the subject that you are adding here are the subject that you did, and then also the levels, they correspond with the result that you're gonna be uploading. Because if you just put, like, let's say maybe you know very well that you took dates on mathematics, and then here you just put 60, and then while you're gonna be uploading a document of dates, your application might not even taken serious, because now it's like you want to cheat the system. Because obviously they're gonna look at this first, and then after looking at this first, okay, they see like you qualify, and then they're gonna verify by checking your documents, and obviously your documents must say the same thing as this form says, because this form is the first thing that they're gonna see, the subject and everything, and then the documents, they must confirm whatever the form says. So make sure that you don't try to cheat the system. If you did mistake, you delete the subject, you restart, you put the subject again, and then you make sure that you put all your school subject. So there's no cheating, guys, in this applying system. There's no cheating, guys. And then once you are done, guys, entering all your subject, you're gonna click next, so that you go to the next page. What are you currently doing unemployed? And then now you search your school, high school name, which school did you attend. You click the search engine, and then the schools, they're gonna appear, and then you check your name of the school. If you don't find it easily, you can just search it. They're gonna give you a slot where you're gonna enter the name, and then you enter the name, you search, so that you can find it quick. And then once you find it, you select the school. And then, have you ever studied at another institution before? So if maybe you studied at another college or university before, you're gonna put yes there. But then if you never studied anywhere before, that's where now you're gonna put no. So don't be surprised, guys, why is written no there. Reason being is because I've never studied any college or university before. But then if you know you studied, then you're gonna click yes, so that they can give you a slot where you're gonna enter your previous qualifications. And then after you click next, so yeah, here, guys, is where you're gonna be choosing courses. So yeah, just go with me, guys, through the procedure. Just go with me through the procedure. Obviously, you are applying for 2026, so at top you're gonna put 2026, and then after that you're gonna go to the faculty, and then you're gonna choose the faculty, and then after choosing the faculty, they're gonna give you the list of faculties, and then after then you choose the program. So mind you, guys, here they don't show you the programs, right? Because now this is a screen recorder, but then when you click the search engine, the program must appear, and then when you select the search engine for faculties, the faculties must appear, and then you choose. You don't type anything, you just click the search engine, and then they appear, and then after that you continue. And then mind you, guys, even if like you see, for example, now you see there's N4HR, but then you see on the last box, there's no options. Reason being is because native courses for businesses are phased out. So here, guys, it's either you're gonna apply for engineering courses, or you're gonna apply for NCV courses, because apparently now occupational courses are not yet introduced. So now they're left with engineering courses and NCV courses. But then if you see N4, maybe N4 public management or N4 business management, just know you want, and even the system will never allow you to proceed further with the course. So don't be surprised why it doesn't allow me to proceed. Reason being is because they are phased out. But then you see electrical engineering is allowing me to proceed on the last box. It's because it's a trimester, and then you click, you put everything there, and then once, guys, everything is sorted, that's when you can click add qualification. But then first you make sure that the course that you chosen is the course that you like. And then now, guys, you see the course is added, and then you're gonna add the second course. Remember, at Central Johannesburg College, they only allow two choices, first choice and second choice. And then if the course, guys, you do qualify, you see where it's written eligible to apply, it's written yes, right? If you do not qualify for the course, it's gonna write no. Just know you don't qualify for the course. Change it before it's too late. But then if it's written yes, it means you qualify. It doesn't mean you are accepted, but it means you qualify. So yeah, this is one of the things that you must check when you are applying, guys. And then after then, you're gonna click next, because now you have added all your two courses. Now you're gonna click next. So yeah, here we are guys. So here guys, you're gonna click continue. You see there's a continue down there on the left side. You click the continue, and then they're gonna give you a slot to put your pin, and then the pin guys, you're gonna set 5 digital numbers. You set 5 digital numbers, you click accept, and then after then you see submit is not appearing, you click it again, and then the submit now is in black. After then you click the submit. Then now after clicking submit, your application is going through. So yeah, here guys, they're asking you, do you have copies of documents? Is either you click yes or no guys, it doesn't make any difference, because even if you click yes, they won't allow you to upload documents now. They want you to come back, log in, and then upload documents. So yeah, now I clicked yes. After you click next, so instead of giving you the slot, they say complete upload. So you're gonna click complete upload, and then you see now the application is done. So yeah, it means you must come back and then upload documents. So make sure that you visit my YouTube video, you check the video on how to upload documents at Central Johannesburg College, and then you know that after that you'll be done with the application. Because if you just leave it like this, just know your application is incomplete because you didn't upload any documents. So you must come back, log in, and then upload documents. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Let's hit the subscribe button.